Zoe's getting a little older. She's 9. I don't know. I take her out, but she gets behind a little bit. Don't bother the pack, but I just can't see leaving her at home. I'm not terribly worried about it anyway. I don't trial. I just shoot a few rabbits, and I love watching them run. Like walking behind them, especially with some pups on the ground like I am. It's my favorite part is starting pups. These guys only been out a couple times though. This is the first time they stayed with each other and stayed all together and stayed with the dogs. Usually they're worried about me, but not this time. Of course, they're only 7 months old. I'm not too worried about it. I'm gonna get them started and see where it goes from there. They're interested though. Just the scenting ain't great.